Hi everyone, so I'm doing a video here. I just wanted to show you guys that I was really wearing a shirt, my China shirt. I love it. Cutting out my eyebrow, P. Louise base on the eye, and then I go into the Sultry palette. I use the camel color, the silver color, gray color, whatever you want to call it, and then the dark slate color, and then the black. It's pretty simple.
See, I'm a different type of lady from the others. I'm playing all you stupid motherfuckers. I like to get you, and then I kiss you. Give you a little bit of pussy, then I miss you. Cause I don't want you, cause I'm my own. I'm just that motherfucking jockey for the bone. I like to use them, and then I leave them. A bunch of motherfucking lies is what I feed them. They eat it up, like it was steak. I get your dollars in your dick, and then I break. And then I laugh, and spread the word. Say you've been played like a motherfucking nerd. Cause I'm a player, one of the best. I put your mans to the motherfucking test. You think I'm lying? Let's take a closer look. Cause when it comes to being a pimp, yeah, you know I wrote the book. Money, cash, dollars, or whatever you wanna call it. When it comes to spending money, I'm like an alcoholic. Ain't satisfied unless your money's being spent. Which one of you sucker dumb brothers wanna pay my rent? Ain't got no time for them jibber jatters from your jaw. I'm playing sucker dumb brothers, and it's just because I got to get mine, got to get my money on. You said you broke, boy, you fucking with my funny bone. You steady walking and I'm walking all up in your face. My hand is spinning in your man's like a can of mace. Ain't got no money, well a bitch like me ain't got the time. You talking booty ass, cause I'm talking dollar signs.
So back to the makeup. So still doing the eyes. And then I moved into the face. Actually, no, I used the Keira B Pigment by Sample Beauty. And I used the Orgasmic Glitter Tube by JD Glow. And I just kept blending. You know, I love a blended look. I put the concealer under my eyes, but then I realized I forgot primer, so I'm using the NYX Oil Primer, which is what I like to use the most because my skin's very dry, especially around this time of year. And then I'm just patting that in. And then I take the Dior Airflash foundation, and that really wasn't enough coverage for me. And it's a little bit darker than my skin right now, just in the middle of winter. So I'm not really tan. So I put the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define foundation over top of it. And I found that to be a really nice combination. So I blend that into the skin, and I have a nice coverage, like the coverage that I was seeking. I let it dry for a couple moments, and then I use the white additive from Makeup Revolution because I like to use that to brighten up my under eyes, forehead, chin, a little bit on the under the contour area too. Then I took Studio Sculpt powder by Mac in Shivering White and put that in the white areas, like where I would use the white additive, and I used Coty Airspun. And then the Marc Jacobs bronzer I'm using right now. I received a call. I really enjoy these brushes to contour your nose. They're pretty foolproof. You just kind of pull them down. It's pretty easy. Then I use the Makeupforever blush, the same two. I always mix the orange and the pink because I really love it. I'm using a Makeup Revolution highlighter palette here. It's like a gold reflective one. And then I go into Danessa Myricks Enlight powder. And it's really pretty. That's what gives me like the wet look. And I put that all over. A bitch bathes in it. Really enjoy that. And then I'm putting Jeffree Star Regina George just to take some of the ashiness away. Put on some jewels in the inner corner. Put on some liner, Stila, curl. I think I'm using Kush, Milk Kush mascara. Then a bitch was eaten. You know a bitch gotta eat. I was really feeling myself here, you know. Then I'm using Designer Blood by Jeffree Star and Wifey by Jeffree Star. You'll see the final photo that I'll put up. The only thing I edited, I brightened the photo. Oh, you know I'm getting down here too. I brightened the photo and I lightened my eyes and I whitened my hair. My nails were good from afar and far from good. I threw those bitches on. Anyway, so I lightened my eyes and lightened my hair, whitened my hair in the photo you'll see. Have a great day. Bye.